So this is your term-wise syllabus, in which it is given that in term 1, here it is written term 1. So in term 1, complete introduction to computer system and Python, 25 marks. So this is in your November exam, this will be asked. And then the syllabus also it is given here. So for we will complete list, dictionary. Now programs you have to write in practical copy. So this list we will solve it. You have started writing. I will show you the project work. Now term 2 will be your MySQL and emerging trends. So this complete MySQL and emerging trends, and in that you will write the same file with the topic term 2, the SQL queries you have to write, and this in February you will have your annual exam, practical exam. So here they have given all the SQL queries which you have to write in your practical copy. Now synopsis, already it is given here, one project synopsis, it was shared by CBSE. Okay, I will share with you the project synopsis pattern which CBSE has given. Now one rough pattern I have made here, like how to write project synopsis. The synopsis should cover the brief description about the project along with reasons for selecting of the data set. Now data set means, suppose you are making the project of hospital, railway, school, any topic. Now from where you are collecting your data, all the government sites are given, data.gov.in. So all the students are collecting the data from the URL data.gov.in. Now from there you can collect the data, and those data you can use here. The learner should write the source of the data set, whether created or taken from any reliable source. So any government site, any reliable source you are taking the data, or you have created your own data. The learner should write what analytics can be done on your project. Analytics means how the analysis you can do. Suppose college admission system, somebody has taken college admission system. Now what all analysis he can do? Like in college admission, all the different courses, BCA, BBA, BCom, BSc, all the courses are there. Now for each course, what all criteria they have kept, so that you can analyze it now and share with your friends that for getting admission in this best college, we require this much percentage in class 12, and the other criterias are also there. So that is called analysis of the data. So what you have to write in your synopsis is brief description about the project, reasons for selection of the data set, source of the data set, what analytics can be done on the project. Analytics, graphs you can plot, or you can write the analysis that in this project this software is functioning like this, and we can do the analysis like this. Now one example I have given you here. So project synopsis should contain all these things: title of your project, your name, class, subject code for computer science 083, for informatics practice 065, which exam you are going to give, school name submitted to your teacher name, acknowledgement, preface, content, introduction, case study. So all these points I will share with you. All these points you have to cover. Now in this one sample project, already I have shared with you this sample project, again I will share it. This is your cover page. Then the certificate, this is to certify that your informatics practices project on the topic is completed, successfully completed by your name, your class, as per CBSE curriculum 2021-22, AISS for AISSC practical exam. Yes, so this is your certificate. Your subject teacher, principal, and CBSE in charge will, observer or CBSE external will come. So CBSE external. This I will share with you. You can get an idea from this how to design, but don't try to copy it from here. Try to understand it and write your own book. This project you are designing, so you already know that Plagiarism is if you try to copy from somewhere, it is not correct. You should write, get an idea from here, help from here, and design your own project. So acknowledgement, preface, and then the working description, how your project is functioning, all the different departments of your project, different modules, all the software requirement, hardware requirements, and then the report synopsis, the complete synopsis will be there, detail of each and every work plan, understanding, hypothesis, user friendly, menu driven you all are making. So I will show you one project, how it is working. Now here, this all you have to content, which all from syllabus, which all topics you have covered, all the analysis, then calculation, evaluation is there in your project, new creativity, conclusion. So like this, then the course, your program code will start, and at the end your output will be there and bibliography will be there. So this is the complete program code. Clear? Now I will show you the programs one by one. Suppose a topic you have taken here is hospital management system. Now how to design your project. Now here what I have done is 4-line coding is there to add sound or audio. So here when you are running this program, first I will run and show, and then I will show how to write a program. So here when you are running this program,
welcome to my project Hospital Management System of Class 11.
now if you want any information, it will give you the information. Suppose you want any information here. So I will enter your choice. I will give one here, enter.
Information about Apollo Hospital is.
Now complete information. This is a sample we were designing, so we haven't completed it till now. And then like this audio you can add. Now if suppose I want to see all the list of doctors, so here the menu driven is there, it is showing the list of doctors. Now which doctor you want to refer to, suppose child specialist, then it will ask patient name. Suppose you some kid is there, so I am writing the name, suppose it is Seema, and then age. Now child specialist means only child can be referred there. So if you are writing the age more, means child means 12 or less than 12, then it is correct. But if you are writing more age, suppose 23 you are writing, so what it should, sorry, your age is more. Here you cannot be referred to the child specialist. So like this, user friendly you have to make it. Now how we are designing it, I will explain you one by one. Now first thing is, for audio I am using this line. Print is not required. For audio only 4 lines are there. Like I will show you separately also. Suppose for audio I will open a new one and I will show it. New notebook I will open, and here now I don't require this line. Yes, now this 4 lines I require for audio, so I will import here Python text to sound. So for this is a library of Python, which if you import, then you can add sound to your audio to your project. Then we will use the init function of this module. So the module name dot init function. This is your Python's text to sound module, and init function is to initialize. Now say s.say, you can write any message here which it will read here. Suppose your project is railway management. So what you are writing here, railway management. Now when you are executing it, it will read out.
Welcome to my project Railway Management System of Class 11.
Understood? So whatever text you will write here, it will read out that text. So this we are adding in our project. And then after that, a print statement we have used to display the name of your project. Then since we are designing menu driven, that's why we have used here while true, so that the menu can be displayed again and again. So while true will display your menu again and again. This again when I will teach you for iterative statements for and while, again I will explain you. Now when you run your project, I want to display the menu. So print menu /n is for a new line. So new line, then means the next line it will show 1 for information, 2 for list of doctors, and we will add many more menus here. And the last menu will be exit. Then it is asking int input, enter your choice. If choice equals to 1, then what is there? Information about your project. So here, since this project was of Apollo Hospital, so here we have written information about Apollo Hospital list. We will complete it. We haven't completed this till now. So from internet, I can collect the information and I can paste it here. Then s.say, if you want to read out, suppose somebody is having problem in eyes, means eyesight is not so good to read in a mobile, for your app, for your software. So you can read out that message and you can help the user to use your app or software. So here we have already initialized this text to sound. So anywhere in my project I can use s.say, and then whatever I want to read out, that I will write in double quotes, and then s.run and wait. So here you have to wait till it reads the message. So these two lines you can add anywhere. Suppose enter your choice also I want to read out. Suppose here this I am copying from here and I am pasting it here, so that user can listen to this message that enter your enter your choice. Now what I will do here, this enter your choice, I will copy it, and where you want to say it, there you have to paste the message. So it will now read enter your choice. Clear? Then choice 2 is the doctors menu, that is the list of doctors. So here you can write the list of doctors, you can write here print statement also, you can show the list of doctors, and then you can again, I am copying pasting this so that it will read out that this is the list of doctors. So here the list of doctors which I want to say, that I will paste here in say. So it will read out the list of doctors is, now this is the list of doctors, using print command it is showing. Then you have asked the option which choice you want, and if choice is 1 it will take the details and it will check if age is greater than 12, then sorry, you are adult, you cannot be referred to a child specialist. Sorry, you cannot be referred to a child specialist. Now this message also, wherever you want to read, you can just copy paste that, and you can, so it is showing this message that you cannot be referred. Else, if it is correct, if the age is less than 12 or equal to 12, then you can refer. So you can give a token number, your token number is this, and the direction of the child specialist room. So in your hospital, suppose this is a private hospital, so there you can write that if your age is less than equals to 12, then you go to this department where child specialist is there, and your token number is 5. Clear? So you have given the appointment. Now like this, all the different choices, till now we have written only till list of doctors. Now medicines, after that list of medicines, or from where to buy the medicine. If suppose the patient is critical, then the ICU department. So all the different departments are there. You can draw the case study also, like I will show you the case study. Suppose case study you can, yes, now case study will be the name of your project. If it is hospital, you can write hospital here, and then the different departments: hospital management system, different departments: child specialist, skin specialist, eye specialist. Like this, all the different departments are there, where the billing section is there, where the medicine section, from where you can collect the medicines. Like this, now I will uh, design it. So my project name is hospital, and all the different departments, one by one you will, so these are all the different departments. Now in that, the different domains, the different, okay, now complete, you can complete it also. So for case study you can simply put in square or in oval or in circle, and then you can join with line. So this is example of hospital I have shown you. Same way of school, those who are designing, they will write school in middle, and library, admission, exam, fees, all the different subject details. So all the different task which is going in a school, it will be written like this. So like this you make your case study, and then the synopsis, the main thing is your synopsis. So this synopsis you have to complete the list content which will be there in your synopsis. This I will share with you. Clear? And then, so bank management, almost same topics are there. You can, if you want, you can add or remove any topic if you want to. Clear? Any doubt till here?